I just love celebrating salads, and I'm ready to try another one. This is part of a collaboration hosted by my pals, Catalina Treats and Jesse's Country Kitchen. It's called hashtag 7 Days of Salads, and today I'm gonna be making a Caesar pasta salad. It's a pasta salad that's like a Caesar salad. Let's try it. I boiled a box of rotini pasta. Just gonna pour that into a bowl. I'm adding about a cup of cooked chopped chicken, 2 cups of romaine chopped, some garlic croutons, 3/4 cup of creamy Caesar dressing, splash of lemon juice, some black pepper, parsley flakes, and a 1/4 cup of Parmesan. Mix that up and we have ourselves a salad. Caesar pasta salad. Absolutely stunning. Keep celebrating the salad and check out the hashtag 7 Days of Salads. Why did the chicken cross the road, then roll around in some mud and cross the road again? He was a dirty double crosser.